On today's episode of DI Bayou, outdoor landscaping. This is our driveway, and we have this cast iron fence here, and then the entrance to our house. You can see our kid junk, that's fine. So I am looking at putting in a little bit of a garden bed kind of in this area. All right, this is what I have so far. We brought the bricks around from the backyard and we mapped out where the corners are going to be. So now we are in the process of trying to keep that line straight and digging out all of the sod that's in there to make the garden bed. As you can see, we've started on this end. Looking pretty good so far. And then we'll fill whatever needs to be filled so it's up to the top of the retaining wall, and then we'll start planting.
I ended up digging out all of the sod just using a shovel, but you could always rent a sod excavator from your local home improvement store to help with this process. Next, I used my shovel to cut an edge for my brick fence. Again, you could buy an edger for this, but I found that my shovel worked just fine. Finally, I laid my brick border all along the edge.
We are slowly but surely making progress on this garden bed. We've put some lilies in, and I think these are hostas. We're gonna see. And we're gonna do some more planting in the back corner right here, and then we'll plant some annuals in front.
I filled in the back corner with lilies. Originally I had a rose bush there, but I didn't like how close it was to the stairs, and it didn't transplant very well anyway. My kids enjoyed helping out with this garden project. They love to do some digging and help planting the plants, and even putting down the mulch. This is our cat Miles. He's the world's friendliest cat. I think this garden bed has his stamp of approval. I did end up planting the hostas in front of the lilies. They look fine for now. They are a little bit hot here in the sun, but as long as they get enough water, they seem to do just fine. Then we ended up planting the annuals in front of those. Finally, we just went around all the plants with some brown mulch, and it really tied the space together. This is what the garden bed looked like when we finished planting. And this is what it looked like about 2 weeks later.
Garden bed is finished. Lilies are doing good. Hostas are a little bit hot. Rose bush looks good. I had a whole bunch of these in, but like about 5 of them got eaten by a rabbit, I think. And then a lot of the moss roses, a lot of them died. There's still some that are doing well, but we'll probably put some more annuals in soon just to kind of bring some color, but here's the finished product.
Thanks again for watching DI Bayou. Stay tuned for another episode next week.